I'm going to show you how to sign up for Goldfish Casino app. It's a very simple process. I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Goldfish Casino app. Once you're in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. In the settings menu, here you can see the email and phone number option. If you want to sign up using your email or your phone number, you can simply tap on this email field. You can enter your email over here and tap on submit. If you want to create your account using your phone number, you can tap on this phone number field. You can select your country code. You can enter your number and tap on submit. You also have other options to sign up to Goldfish Casino app. Here you can see the connect option. Tap on it. Now it will give you the options to connect with your Facebook account. You can simply tap on this continue with Facebook option and your Goldfish Casino app account will be created using your Facebook. So you can choose your preferable methods, and that's how you can easily sign up to Goldfish Casino app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.